Hi, welcome to another Guns Contractors video. Bit of an iDig tutorial here on the Bauma iDig stand 2025. What an opportunity this is. But I want to show you some simple little features to help you get the most out of your iDig. So, this video, the laser catch. Now, you can work without a laser, which is in another video I've done, digging a level area, but let's say you're working in a large area, say you're digging foundation pads, and you need to dig level here, you need to move your excavator, you need to dig the same level here over maybe a larger area than you can reach with your machine. Well, the best way, the most accurate way to do that is to use the laser. So we've got our laser spinning to the side of us here in this instance, and what I need to do is tell iDig two things. One, what level I want to dig to, and the second is where the laser is in relation to that. So if you imagine the laser spinning here, my level that I want to dig is here. It needs to know this information first. So we go into the little laser button down here, and what that's asking for, you can see the little arrow between what it wants you to dig. It doesn't know, it's got question marks, and it doesn't know the height of the laser. So first thing is I can go to my pencil, just like we do when we dig a level area and we're just benching with no laser, and I'm going to say that that is my 0 as it stands. So I've got my machine parked on the edge of this box here. Now what it's asking me for is the laser. So this is representative of the scanner on the sensor on the dipper. So I've got my laser over here. All I need to do is bring this machine into the range of that laser. So it's key really to set your laser up right so that the machine can see it. It doesn't matter what position I'm in, as long as that machine can see this laser, which it should be able to somewhere around here, he says. There we go, you can see it's telling me that it can see it. I then hands off, 3 seconds, and I'm calibrated. It now knows 128 centimeters between that laser and the ground that I want to dig. And now when I move, I go around, I can reposition, I can put my bucket back on my datum, and it knows where I'm at. Now, when I go to move, what I can do, I've got to re-bench because the machine may well go up or down in elevation. But that's really, really simple. Let's say I've just moved, right? So I've moved the machine, I've tracked down to the next position. I need to dig back to my level. So I just do the middle button here, which is the re-scan. And on this new Connect system, it's super easy because it scans it almost instantly as it passes through the laser. So I just pass through the laser, there you go, we're benched. If you're using Touch 2D, then it's got to do the 3 seconds again like we did at the beginning. But small advantages with the new Connect system, but same principle, exactly the same. So that can be applied to a slope as well, by the way. You could set your laser to a slope, you could set iDig up to slopes. We'll do that in another video, but that's the simple way to use a laser to get the most accurate across larger distances using iDig. Really easy, all wireless. Let's go to work. Thanks for watching.